Can you recover a WhatsApp View Once photo? In this video, I'll show you a quick method to check and view WhatsApp View Once images again. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. After that, tap on Storage and Data. Then open Manage Storage. Here, select the contact from whom you received the View Once photo. Now check the recently received media files. If the View Once image is still cached on your device, you may be able to open and view it again from here. Keep in mind that WhatsApp automatically deletes View Once photos after they are opened, so this method may not work for every image on newer devices, including the latest Realme 15 series phones. And that's it. This is how you can try to recover or see WhatsApp View Once photos again.